What's up everybody, this is Chandan Sharma and welcome back to the 4th day of my solo trek to ABC. कल रात हम टाडापानी से 45 minutes की दूरी पर एक peaceful सी जगह Chuile में रुके थे. The view of Machapuchre, the sacred mountain from here is mesmerizing. We woke up to the sounds of bells of horses grazing on the lawn. It was a beautiful morning. यदि आप ABC ट्रैक का प्लान कर रहे हैं तो मैं अपने ट्रैक के हर एक दिन के वीडियोस अपने चैनल पे अपलोड कर रहा हूँ. It will be helpful to you if you watch the videos of each day wherein I share the information, cost, the beauty of the place and my experience in general. Do you see those ponies just waiting in line? So disciplined. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, Chans the Solo Traveler. This is Chandan Sharma. I'm at this place called Chuile. You know, a lot of people stay at Tadapani, but we decided to stay at Chuile. It's a very peaceful place and the view from here, that is Machapuchre, and you can see a little bit of Annapurna, and this is the lodge where we are staying, Hotel Rainbow. It's really nice. So today is going to be another day of trekking for 4 to 5 hours. It's 6 in the morning right now and I'm gonna freshen up, have breakfast and we'll head probably at around 7 o'clock. Okay. So guys, this is our breakfast. Gurung bread. This is instead of fried egg. Thank you. Bye bye. So guys, we are on the way to Chomrong from Chuile. In the morning I was able to see Machapuchre and a little bit of Annapurna, but now can't see anything. It's quite sunny today. Probably it'll be a good day to hike, I don't know. Our plan is to reach Upper Sinuwa today. We asked the owner of this lodge here in Chuile, so they gave us some contacts, so probably we'll have a good stay there as well. Namaste.
हाजी
हमारा अगला स्टॉप ओवर होगा Chomrong, जो कि आखिरी विलेज है ABC से पहले. From Chomrong onwards there are lodges and tea houses on the way, but no villages in particular.
नमस्ते आमा. हजुर कता जानुभएको?
We are on the way from Chuile to Chomrong. The initial part was steep downhill, now it's all steep uphill. Every day is the same thing. There's greenery all around. Try to enjoy the hike. My friend is way ahead of me, I guess. Just need to catch up with him. 1, 2, 3. I have sprain on this ankle, left ankle, so I'm very careful.
Let's see. We can see the village.
We passed one village, Ghorepani, right? That village was Ghorepani.
Don't ask me.
Yeah.
I haven't seen any sign.
There's a donation box, right?
Yeah, right.
We are at Ghorepani right now. The walk is kind of a little bit tiring, kind of easy. We pass through villages and the scenery all around is very beautiful, you know, greenery all around. You see villages, paddy fields, vegetable fields. I just hope that it just goes on like this.
गुड मर्निङ. गुड मर्निङ दाइ. हामी तल बसेको थियौँ नि त चुइलेमा, होटल रेनबोमा. यता बाटो हो कि यता हो? यता हैन? यता हो?
It's that way.
Okay. Oh, I think it's both the way.
के गर्नु भएको बारीमा साग टिप्नु भएको? के हो यो? साग हो? भैँसी खाने? ए I am fine, thank you भन्छ न. के भयो?
we started from Chuile at around 8 o'clock and now the time is 10:30. So it's been 2.5 hours of trek. Maybe before 12 we'll reach Chomrong. Let's see. Because here you cannot say how much time it will take. It depends. Approximately it will take around 4 to 5 hours to reach Chomrong. Let's see if we can make it before 12. We are planning to go to Upper Sinuwa, that is 2 hours from Chomrong. Trail is like uphill, downhill. In between there are kind of muddy trails, which is really nice to walk. Yeah, let's get going. It's been 2 days. I haven't been able to make communication with my family back home. In Nepal, I got SIM and cell, which doesn't work here that much. It hasn't worked here since Ulleri also, the network was very poor. I've heard people saying NTC works. NTC, that is Namaste. So guys, finally made it to Chomrong. It was very difficult for me to hike up to this village. Just stop here for a quick soup because it'll be really difficult for me to walk after having lunch again. That is Sinuwa, and I don't know if you can make out from here above one. That is Upper Sinuwa, so we're planning to go to Upper Sinuwa. For me, this trek is not easy. I would say it's moderate, but it's quite tiring. I mean, because there are continuous steps. Just to reach this village also there were like, I don't know, hundreds and thousands of steps. There's a buffalo on the path. It was staring right at me a few minutes back. How do I cross? And these plants are really bad for your skin. Namaste. How are you? अहिले चाहिँ कहाँ जानु भएको? यहाँ सिनुवामै कि छोमरोङ? ए हजुर. ए ल राम्ररी जानु ल. Finally made it to Upper Sinuwa. Time is 4:30 right now. We started at 8 in the morning, so it's close to 8.5 hours. Beautiful view of some of the mountain peaks. It was really tiring today, climbing up and down. We are staying at this place called Silent Peak. From Sinuwa upwards, it's mostly dormitory. Sinuwa bhanera माथि सबै dormitory type को room हुन्छ. This is the first time I've walked for such a long duration actually. I'm really tired. This is Chandan Sharma signing off. If you like the content of my channel, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. I will see you soon in the next episode of ABC series. Bye bye. Don't forget to tune into the next episode as we pass through adventurous trail and get a day closer to our destination. Like, subscribe and comment if you enjoy my content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. It's very slippery. You have to be very careful, and there was a section in which I was really scared to vlog and walked quite tricky. All I can see